Assalamualaikum and have a nice day everyone. So my name is MUHAMAD Saufi bin SAHROM, and right now I want to present about industrial training presentation. So recently me was internship at the Malaysian Agriculture Research and Development Institute, MARDI. So I was internship at the MARDI headquarters in Serdang. So basically MARDI Serdang is the center of all the MARDI station in Malaysia. So my academic advisor is TS Dr. MST Laila Nahir. So here is my content of the presentation. Okay, so first and foremost, for the introduction, we go to the background. So the Malaysia Agriculture Research and Development Institute was established with the primary objective of generating and promoting new, appropriate and efficient technology for the advance of the food, agriculture and agro-based industry. The MARDI Act of 1969 led to the establishment of MARDI on October 28, 1969. Okay, so we go to the vision of this company. So the vision is leading the way in innovative technology generation for the sustainability and competitiveness of the agriculture industry by 2030. So for the mission is strengthening financial resource, talent, facilities and infrastructures of R&D, then improving organization visibility and governance with effective, efficient, transparent and accountable management. So the objective of this company is conducting research in scientific, technical, economic and social aspect to the production, utilization and processing of all crop, livestock and food. Then we go to the organization background. So this MARDI is located at Persiaran MARDI UPM 3400 Serdang, Selangor. Then pioneering and developing new and modern technologies to transform the agriculture and agri-food industry, making them more sustainable and competitive. Then strengthening the dissemination, transfer and adoption of MARDI technology to targets group. Then it's also conducting study on agriculture activities involving the use of pesticide. Then all the result is ISO certified result. Okay, so we go to the organization chart. So in the MARDI organization chart, there are two wings. On the right side, we have the development and operation section, and on the left side, we have the research section. So when I step in the MARDI, I was placed under SF department during the industrial training. So SF is for Soil Science, Water and Fertilizer Research Center. So under SF department, they have Senior Research Assistant and Research Assistant. Sir Shahid bin Shahrun was a Senior Research Assistant, was my industrial training supervisor. Okay, then we go to organization service that MARDI's offer. So in this program, focuses on research related to soil health, water management and sustainable practice to optimize agriculture productivity. Then in the organic farming program is aimed to develop and promote organic farming technique, ensure eco-friendly and sustainable agriculture practice. Then this program also concentrate on the innovation and development of fertilizer, enhancing nutrient delivery to crop and improve overall soil fertility. So each of this program is designed to address critical aspect of agriculture, focusing on research, development and the application of new technology and practice. So the SF centers aim to lead in sustainable in agriculture practice and provide solutions that enhance productivity while maintaining environmental health. So we go to the program and the activities that I have done during my internship program. So firstly, when I stepped into the pesticide lab, so I was arranged to analysis of glyphosate herbicide residue in fruit and palm oil sample. So in this program and activities, I was do extracting palm oil from fresh fruit bunches, then separating cake from nuts, grinding to separate kernel nuts and producing oil from nuts. So next, my supervisor was given me some mini projects. So the mini project was study on the efficiency and uniformity of urea fertilizer. So from the previous study, the BE center want to make and attach a stirrer in spraying container. So from my study is to testing the solution within urea fertilizer for uniformity when stirred and unstirred. So the ammonia and nitrate reading was taken and the result showed no visible physical change observed. So we can conclude here that we no need stirrer, because if we apply the sprayer tank in the field, the sprayer tank will shake automatically. Okay, so next, the other activities is a study on nutrient absorbent for enhanced soil fertility in rich soil. So this application was located at MARDI Cerating. Then I was do soil sampling, data collection and drying soil sample for analysis. So Napier is the best crop we can plant in rich soil. So the others program activity was I was travel to MARDI Parade Perak to collecting and harvesting rice sample for analysis of finitration in insecticide residue in rice paddy field. So the activity that I do that is cutting paddy using a plot designated cutting machine, threshing rice to separate grains from the stalk. So the analysis was handled in pesticide lab. So next is the main project that I held in this program. So the study name is study on phytoremediation for reducing residue pesticide toxin in water. So there are two implementation plot, one in Alustar and the others in Skinchan. So I have done installation of the absorption system, in situ data collection and sampling of water and fish. So the result from the sample that has been taken in fish and then analysis, we found that endosulfan sulfate in the fish. So this is the fat soluble pesticide. So it's very harmful to human. So the other activity that I have done there is identifying pesticide residue in chilies. So the sample is divided into two. drone application, and knapsack pesticide application. So for treatment I use, first is control direct application, wash and rinse during organic dishwasher, soap, salt and rinse, and then salt and rinse. So extraction analysis need to be conducted using LCMS. So the next activities is when I and my supervisor traveling to Perlis, so handling complaint about brackish drinking water, sampling from borehole and filtered water. So analysis reveal is high calcium and manganese content. Brackish water is affected by high sulfur level. So the next activities that I done there is, like we all know, the chlorine soap is the one of the post-harvest technology. So the study is study on chlorine content in sweet potatoes. So there are 3 type of sample used: control sample, soak in chlorine, and soak in chlorine, but the sweet potato is damaged. Afterwards, each sample is divided into 3 parts: flesh, skin, and a wool pieces. So analysis is conducted using double acid. So here is the result of the chlorine residue content that has been analyzed. So from this result, we can conclude that the damaged sweet potato have the highest chlorine. Okay, so next program and activities is calibration cost of sprayer pump. So the explanation on pest management RMP in agriculture was presented by Encik Shahir. Then I was study method of sprayer pump, calibration using knapsack sprayer and mist blower, and then the practical of demonstration on proper measurement and spraying technique. The last program and activities I have done before I ended my internship is joining a seminar about technology for producing biochar and wood vinegar. So this seminar was conducted at MARDI Agrotechnology Park Langkawi. Then Encik Shahid was explanation on the production of biochar and wood vinegar through pyrolysis system. Then waste from agriculture can be converted into biochar. Then the wood vinegar can function as biofungicide. So, in conclusion, through the 14 week of the industrial training at MARDI, I managed to gain new experience and knowledge from all aspects. Significantly, I was able to understand on how this organization play its role in the industry. The organization provide me with a comprehensive understanding and exposed me to farm management, technologies transfer, entrepreneurial development, and technical training. This exposure enhanced both my technical skill and soft skill. The industrial training program serves as a form of training and an alternative for students to experience real-world working environment. From this industrial training, I hope all my experience and knowledge can be applied when I venture into my career journey. Okay, so that's all from my presentation. So now we going to the suggestion. So firstly is a suggestion for the industrial training program. So to enhance the internship experience, I recommended to extending the internship duration as this allows students to gain deeper insight, develop a thorough understanding of agriculture practice, streamline the reporting process, and promote comprehensive learning and self-assessment, better preparing them for future career. Okay, then suggestion for organization. I propose that industry provide incentive so to reduce student daily expenses during internship. This financial support make it easier for students to gain work experience and encourage company to create more entry-level position for intern after their training, benefiting both student and industry by fostering skill and motivate workforce. Then lastly, suggestion for myself is to enhance my focus and productivity. I will adopt structured task management, prioritize punctuality and cultivating a proactive attitude toward assisting others. By breaking project into manageable steps, adhering to deadlines and supporting my colleagues, I aim to improve personal effectiveness and contribute positively to the team's success. That's all from me. Thank you.